Hi you guys, I'm back again, and just within a minute or two of ending that last video because I couldn't get smooth operation here, I did get it. And what it turned out to be is that the two screws here, they have to be able to clear the inside of the housing there, that machined housing or cast housing or whatever. So yeah, so now I'm going to be able to move on up top again, and I think I've got a pretty good angle for you guys right there. And move that out of the way. That's still going around nicely, and we're going to aim it that way because, pardon my moaning and groaning, because we want to be in this position. And there we're going to put the hook base there. Now that is an educated guess. That's going to have to be set, but I'm guessing for there or thereabouts. There, that's nice and snug there. So that's as far as I'm going to go today, or this time. And my next one is going to be to get the bobbin case in here, go through that process. But for now, everything is rotating and moving. You know what, while we're here, and we still have time, I should get started and put this back in place. So that'll go like that. Just throw them on down there. Well, that one's going to have to be redone. So that's nice and snug on that one, and that one we're having a bit of an issue with. Good. Good stuff. Now, should we put the feed dogs on? That's the next question. And I think I'm going to say no because I don't know where they are right now. They're over here somewhere. But no, I'm going to end it there. And thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. Ciao, amigos.